Tata Steel, Bharti Airtel, SBI, Bajaj Finance Among 650 companies to declare earnings during February 2 to 7. These companies will share insight on revenue and profit during the October to December period. About 680 companies are set to announce their Q3 financial year 2026 result between February 2 and 7. They cover sectors including the automotive, finance, housing, infrastructure, and chemical. These companies will share insight on revenue, margin, and profit during the October to December period. Investor and analysts will watch closely to see if result meet street expectation, and this can affect the stock price. Management commentary is expected during earning calls. Some companies may also announce dividend. Some of the closely watched firm will be Ather Energy Ltd, Bajaj Housing Finance Ltd, State Bank of India, Bharti Airtel, Kaynes Technology India, Bajaj Finance, Nykaa, Tata Steel, Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles, PVR Inox, PFC, NCC, LIC, Tata Power, Hyundai Motor India, among others. It is important to follow this result as some of these firms at the top of their sector are critical to understand industry trend and overall economic activity. The newly listed Bharat Cooking Coal Limited, a premier Miniratna public sector undertaking, will also share its first ever Qatari diesel aftermarket debate on Jan 19 BCCL, which rewarded successful bidders with the bumper listing gains of 96%, will be closely watched for its performance and long-term outlook. There was companies listed for Q3 result this week. February 2, Ather Energy Ltd, Office Space Solution Limited, Bajaj Housing Finance Ltd, Bharat Ware Repost Ltd, Corona Remedies Ltd, Hyundai Motor India, Mahindra Life Space Developer Ltd, Electrical Greentech Ltd, PB Fintech Ltd, Railtech Ltd, Tata Chemical Ltd. February 3, February 4, February 5, or February 6. All companies are listed here. And Ather LTG Q3 financial date Monday, February 2, 2 days at same day on 5:30 p.m. Or Bharat Cooking Coal Ltd Q3 financial 2026 or third Qatar in date December 31, 2025.